Hello, welcome to Not for Exam, and I am your host Sujit, and we are going to find out the length of cycloidal path in pure rolling. Let's take a look at the given figure of a cycloidal path in pure rolling. Let point P on the circumference move from position P1 to position P2 and radius OP rotate angle theta. At this instant, instantaneous axis of rotation passes through point O and velocity will be perpendicular to OP. That should be in tangential direction. Also by geometry, OP2 let it is r dash is equal to 2r sin theta by 2 and velocity v theta at this instant is equal to r dash omega, that is 2r omega sin theta by 2. Now in dt time, path length test at this instant, dl will be equal to v theta into dt, that will be 2r omega sin theta by 2 into dt, that is 2r sin theta by 2 into omega into dt, and omega into dt will be angular displacement d theta, therefore dl will be equal to 2r sin theta by 2 into d theta. By integrating dl, we will get total path length L, that will be equal to integration of dl, that will be 0 to 2 pi 2r sin theta by 2 into d theta, that comes out to be 8r. Therefore, length of cycloidal path in one complete rotation is 8r, and you can understand that omega and alpha only say about how fast the path is stretched. Thanks for watching Not for Exam, and we will see you next time.